Balen, kumusta kayo po? My name is Louie.
My name is Mark Cunanan of We're in Pampanga, where we discover great places for you to check out.
Guys, for today's vlog, nandito tayo ngayon sa City Center, Pandan, Angeles City.
Yeah, so specifically dito sa may The Cub Private Pool Villa.
For today's vlog, mag-overnight tayo dito. We're gonna experience the amenities. Meron ditong pool. Sa mga naghahanap ng mga overnight staycation, ang laking villa nito,
Actually,
diba?
pwede to around 20 packs.
So if you want to know more about this, samahan niyo po kami.
So tara, let's go!
Hi guys! Hi guys!
Hi, Mom.
Say hi to the camera, baby. Naks na talagang ka. Ayun guys, so dito sa area na to, so this is their pool area. Ha? Oh, so yung depth natin is 5 feet, 4 feet at saka 3 feet. Not too big, pero good enough for family, no?
Meron pa kaming pamerienda.
Meron pang pamerienda ang CBBCAB.
Galing kay...
Tita Josie,
yung
Tita Lisa. Alright. So yun guys, dito sa likod ko is yung access dun sa balcony natin. And then dito sa second floor, meron tayong tatlong rooms. So there's the first room, the second room, and then the third room. So pasukin natin yung isa. I think this is the master bedroom. No? Wow, I like this place. Napaka minimalist, black and white. Nothing too fancy about the room. It's very clean. And pansin ko guys, ang sarap ng amoy. Mabango yung ano natin, yung mga rooms natin. At the same time, every room meron siyang cabinet at saka toilet and bath. So kompleto na yan. Pasukin naman natin yung dalawang rooms. Ayan. So mga second room and third room natin, mga double deck na yung mga beds natin dito.
So kakasya dito sa Villa Pool is approximately 30 person.
Yes.
Accommodate lang natin sa around 20 packs.
Around 20 packs. Siyempre, kailangan natin sumunod dun sa protocol, which is 70% as of recording this vlog.
Tingnan natin ito.
Yun, no? So sabi ko nga sa inyo guys, each room has its toilet and bath. Meron din tayong cabinet dito.
Ito maganda to pang barkada.
Pambarkada, yan. And then the last room dito sa second floor is this one. So similar to dun sa second room natin, double deck yung bed natin. Good for two. Ito yung toilet and bath natin. Kompletong kompleto guys. Ito yun guys, this is the view from the balcony. So you got your table here. Perfect na perfect to guys kapag may konting relax, chill. You know what I mean? And then sa baba natin, so nagsisimula na silang mag-barbecue. The time is 6:15. Ganda rin ng dito, ng view natin ng sunset. Although, hindi mo na masyadong makita. Pero malamig. Sarap yung feeling. Tingnan natin yung nagba-barbecue. Tara! Ayan guys, so almost dinner time. Kagandahan dito, isa sa mga sponsor din natin, si Meet Me. So magba-barbecue tayo ng liempo. Look at that. Thanks so much, Meet Me. Fresh and frozen meat. Namitsure na. Meet Me.
Meet me at the grill.
Meet me at the grill. Meet me at the grill. Hey. Meet me at the grill. Hey. Dahil sponsor namin si Nom Waters, stay hydrated kami kahit mag-swimming maghapon.
Madala nga rin natin ang menu namin.
Yeah! Bam! Oh, malamig pa rin.
Hello, I'm Ranjo Kalayag, co-host of Cribs by Viven. Hi, I'm Bogs Kabayaki, authorized agent of Cribs by Viven.
Hi, I'm Maris Reyes, one of the co-hosts of Cribs by Viven.
So, ayun guys, today is our last day One of the hardest thing to do kapag we weekend getaway is these kinds of times, no, pag uuwi na. Again, we would like to thank yung mga sponsors natin for today's vlog, for today's video. Cribs by Biben. Family Getaway was made possible by Cribs by Biben. Thank you din sa mga nag-sponsors sa atin ng mga fresh and frozen meat. That is courtesy by Meet Me. Maraming salamat po kay Ma'am Sheena Lam. Salamat din kay Hanom Waters for our water dito sa bahay. And we also like to thank Crib Bubbles. Ang sarap ng tulog ko, guys. Napaka-comfortable ng mga linens natin. Ang bango ng scent. Good job, Crib Bubbles. And lastly, thank you to Ma'am Josie, no? Tita Josie's Refreshment. Yung kinain naming mga tusok-tusok, fishball, kikiam, hot dogs. Wow, ang sarap nun, guys. And overall, what I like about the place is napakalaki po nito para sa amin na nagstay. Can accommodate up until 30 actually, no? The entire place. Meron din tayong parking dito, meron sa loob. You can also park dun sa opposite ng daan natin. And they also have a pay parking actually, very near dito. Yeah, you have your own pool. Not the pool na talagang malaki, but it can, you know, really refresh you kagabi. Sobrang nag-enjoy kami dito. Lalong-lalo na dito while waiting for my birthday. So there you have it, guys. For more information about this place, if you want to book, no, check out the number and the fan page we're gonna be including in this post. Thank you so much for watching We're in Pampanga. Until our next discovery, I hope to see you there. Peace out. Bye, guys.